This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your Universal Credit Journal and creating a new entry. Explain what you did and why. For example, you reported job search activity or a change of circumstances. Include date and time so advisors can track events. Once done, write concise facts first, then add context. Who you contacted, outcomes, and next steps. Make sure to use clear language and avoid jargon, so the work coach reads the actions quickly and responds appropriately. Next, you expand the entry with detailed facts and supporting evidence so the advisor can verify your claim without asking for repeats. Describe conversations, list job applications by date and employer, and summarize responses. This shows compliance. Attach screenshots, emails, or PDFs to prove attempts or changes. As you add details, use keywords like earnings or housing to help search. If something is sensitive, state it plainly and offer to provide documents. Finally, submit the entry and check for an immediate confirmation or timestamp so you have proof of submission. Monitor your journal daily. If you get a message, reply promptly with clarifying facts. If a submission fails or the site shows an error, retry after saving a draft and take a screenshot of the issue. That screenshot is your evidence to send later. If problems persist, call the helpline and reference journal timestamps so advisors can reconcile your file quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.